couple hours from Japan. Would you stay awake?
We just got to the airport. It's so dark. Hi, Mom. Where are we going?
Bahamas, Bahamas, Bahamas.
So my drawstring got stuck right here.
Wait, where is it now?
Oh no.
Here it is.
So we're just doing some surgery really quick before we go. Look at these nails. So my sister overslept. Her alarm never went off, she said. No surprise there. So she's on her way. Hopefully she makes it. I don't know if she's gonna make it in time.
She'll make it.
I know, I'm trying to cause some drama on this video.
Oh.
Maybe cut the hole bigger, I don't care. And I could shove my finger in it. Accomplished. Now I don't look like a frumpalump. We found another family member. Hi.
I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while.
We just landed.
But I want you close. Ooh, closer than before.
So we just checked in. Luckily our room was ready. It's like probably around 11:30 right now. They redid the rooms here, which is awesome. Our room is literally brand new. You can still smell the paint, which is so cool because they were getting a little run down here. This view is amazing. Look at this view right now. So beautiful. Guys, look at my nails. They're tie-dye. And then look at my toes. Tie-dye. And this is my toe that was broken and I have acrylic on it. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, pretty. Look where we are. We could jump into the bridge suite if we wanted to. I wonder if they redid the bridge suite. Because if so, then maybe I'm coming there for my 30th.
Well, wherever you're going, I'm coming.
Duh. Mom, I'm caressing a kitten right now.
Matching jammies.
Oh, is that a moo-moo?
What about Victoria's Secret?
They're moo-moos?
Well, where's the pants? I mean, it's Soma. They're
I guess that's what happens when we're pushing 30 and 32.
They're night shirts. What do you mean pants?
Only old ladies wear moo-moos.
What? I got the girls and they don't want to wear them. I'm gonna wear a leopard nightgown.
I can't get this earring out of my
How soft it is. So
ear.
soft.
I wore no makeup to dinner and I feel free.
I thought you'd really love them. Now I'm insulted.
Ow. Ah.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
So we ate dinner at Nobu tonight, and when we were getting ready to leave, there was a waiter that walked behind us, and a huge bottle of champagne went flying, and I got soaked. My sister's wedding shoes that she decided to wear with. Why did she wear her wedding shoes tonight anyway? We all went like super casual tonight because we're all tired and we wanted an early night, and she wears jeans and her wedding shoes and gets champagne spilled all over them. Like what is even life right now? I don't even know. But yeah, you would think they would have given us a little bit of discount off the bill, but nope.
No, well, you didn't let me say anything. I would have said something.
We don't need you to unleash the wrath of Jody.
Anything, you would have complained. So.
Hi, family.
One of these things doesn't belong
I have to go
with
on
the other.
What does that mean?
It means me. What are you talking about? One of these things don't belong with the other.
You belong. You definitely belong. I can't see if it's too dark or not, but it's day 2. It was raining a little bit this morning, so we slept in, and now we're out on the beach, and it's beautiful. It's perfect. Hi, Mans. Hi, Mom. Got my little cherry hat on. So we just ended up checking into a cabana. My mom's host is literally like an angel, and she gave us like a crazy discounted rate. So we were actually at the regular, like the Royal Tower Beach, and she texted her and asked if we wanted to go check into the cabana. So it was a little rainy today, so we weren't planning on doing this today. We were going to maybe do one on Sunday for her. So last night we ended up going to the beach for a bit, and then me and my sister went and got a massage. And then when we went up, we were so tired, so I ended up napping for a little bit, and we had dinner at 8, so I literally woke up at 7:40, put my hair in a ponytail, and we went down to dinner. I did no makeup, which is so unlike me, but we were starving, so we went and ate, and then we came right up, we watched a movie, and fell asleep early because we had a very early day. Our flight was, sorry, at 7:30, so I basically got like 2 hours of sleep, so now I feel all caught up. Is it someone's birthday a couple months later?
I'm still celebrating.
We're still celebrating Mommy's birthday. I know, I told them how last night we were very lazy. We were little lazy chickens.
Yeah,
so
but not tonight.
Tonight
we're gonna
gamble.
knock the casino down.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Hey! Never forget about you. It's night number 2. So my mom decided what she was wearing first, and then
We all matched
we all kind of match. Yay! Where are we going tonight?
Bohemian Club.
Bohemian Club.
Bohemian Club.
Bohemian or Bohemian?
Bohemian.
Bohemian?
Like Bahamian.
Bohemian.
I'll do it. Sucker.
Know that we've been through a lot. Now we're hiding in the crowd.
Okay, make a wish. The birthday girls. Yay!
It's time to hit the sun.
GTL.
It is our 3rd day, and it's a little bit windy today, but we're gonna go try to find a
non-windy
socket,
spot.
a non-windy spot, which I think I have one from last time I was here with my boyfriend. We found like one area everyone was walking around in like sweaters and jackets, and we found like one area that wasn't windy, and they were all looking at us like we were crazy. So we'll go try that socket.
That little socket.
The socket.
We're
I don't know
gonna
how
just
to-
sit in a little pit. Like an armpit.
An armpit. Mom, I'd like my chair moved up.
I'm the bad lady.
Wait, turn me. I'm not facing the sun. Oh, you actually are doing it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Thanks, Mommy dearest.
Okay, my turn. I'm gonna lay down. You just gotta move me now.
So we got caught in a monsoon outside, so we decided to come up and change and head into town for a little bit, although it's already sunny out. The rain doesn't really last that long here, but we're gonna go do some shopping in town and grab some lunch first, and that's our plan.
Good.
I feel like I got really tan today. Yeah.
With this watch, I, Renita, wish you long life, health, strength, and enjoy every minute of this watch. You work so hard, you deserve it. Very good choice, very good investment, and it's the best choice you've made for the year. Thank you.
So I feel like this whole vlog is gonna be us in front of this mirror telling you about what we've been doing.
Vlog tonight.
What?
Let's vlog tonight then.
Mans, you wanna show them what you got for your birthday for me? A little Cartier action.
There are diamonds on that.
Today we did a little shopping, and yes, we came up, showered, and now we're gonna go down. I don't know if we're gonna do the buffet or we were supposed to do Italian tonight, but none of us really want like a huge filling dinner. And then we need to gamble because we haven't gambled yet.
Look how cute we look together.
We're like a boy and a girl.
We're like a little boy.
Hey, wait a minute. Where's mommy? This is what I'm wearing tonight. You're my honey bunch, sugar plum, bumpy.
That's like that. I Love Lucy. Where Lucy?
Bum 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 bum. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We say to you. Hey, hey. Woo 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 woo. Hello, little Swanee.
Little Swanee Wani with the big.
Black feetsies. Hey guys, so it is our last day. We did a cabana again for the last day for Mom. Mom wanted it for her birthday, so Mom gets what Mom wants. It's so beautiful. We really lucked out with the weather this trip. It was beautiful the entire time. Guys, look at this bathing suit. I have it in like 3 colors. Isn't it amazing? So yeah, we're just doing what we do best. We're just assuming position, relaxing, and getting as tan as humanly possible. We're here on our last day. Karina's here. Karine, our favorite. I love. She is gonna be helping us today for our last day. I don't want to leave tomorrow. Did you have the best birthday trip ever?
Yes, but we have the best day left, so let's go enjoy it.
Okay.
I'll be whatever you want me to be. You know I'm on your side. I feel like I'm running in circles around you.
Well, our day is done. We're gonna head up to the room now and shower and have our last dinner. We're gonna do the Last Supper. Where she's dancing behind me, I can't. We're gonna go to Nobu again tonight because it's our favorite.
What about that man that crawled in on your very first video? Really, who's that man crawling in the background?
Oh yeah, and it was you.
I thought it was the man who's sneaking in trying to get something.
Oh yeah, that one of my first videos. Who's the man that crawled into the video? I'm like, my sister. I can't. It's our last night.
I'm so sad.
We're not wearing makeup again. We're just gonna go have some food and then me and Amanda are probably. Are you gonna gamble tonight? Do you want to gamble tonight?
I have a chip.
Oh, you have a chip.
I do have a chip.
All right, so we'll probably gamble for a little bit, but I'm not trying to lose any more money because last night was not so
You did
successful.
not lose that much money last night.
Should we go have Nobu? What time is it?
It's time to go.
Let's go.
7:57.
Until next time.
And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close.
2 kitty, 3 kitty, 4 kitty, and 5 kitties. Hi, baby kitties. Did you guys miss Mom? Mommy missed you.
Mommy, where are we going?
We are going to a meeting.
We have a very fun meeting today in New York City.
An exciting meeting.
And I can't wait to share what it's all about. But it's like 7 a.m. and I've been up since like 5:45. I got a cold because why wouldn't I get a cold when I travel? Waiting for an Uber, it canceled on us like 12 times already because no one wants to take us to New York City today. So hopefully we're not gonna be too late. Hi. Morning. Morning. Can you get my outfit?
Are you am I recording?
Yeah.
Oh,
So this is what I'm wearing.
pretty girl.
The jacket because it looks better, right?
Beautiful. Spinny Winnie. Come on, let's go.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Can you do please?
Please.
Again.
Please.
Miss you. You know, this is the first haircut. This is the first haircut in the new chair before he brings it to the barbershop. And lucky you that you're the first one.
Nobody else would be allowed to be the first.
Right. How comfy is the chair?
Oh my God.
Where are we going?
I'm going to Edgewater, New Jersey right now. I finally get the full rendering for my barbershop.
Okay, watch the road. Here, I'll put it over here so you can just drive and talk.
All right, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, today's a big day. I'm opening up a barbershop in a few months, and today's the day I get the full rendering of what the shop is going to look like. So we're super excited.
So excited! So he's been cutting hair for like 13 years and he's finally opening up his own shop. So this is a very exciting day.
I love that you love your coffee in the morning.
Why?
Because
What do you mean?
so do I. Like you were like, I want to get another chai. Yeah, let's
Yeah, oh,
stop
you're ready
and get
for
another
it,
one.
too.
No, you are, I'm saying.
Yeah.
I like that. This is strong, mine's strong.
What did you get? Oh wait, hold on. Let me see.
No, we're good. I know what I got.
I don't remember what you got. So.
Don't worry, I know what we
A
got.
grande blonde caramel cloud macchiato. Really, my little cloud hopper.
Mr. Gomez.
How you doing, my man?
My man, I missed you yesterday. I was jammed in the garage cutting hair.
No problem.
How's it going?
All right, when I called down there, let's tell you that some people were coming to see, and they told me you don't work there no more.
Oh no! I left on Monday. I'm gonna be opening up a barber shop.
Oh, yeah?
I am.
Oh, what township?
Manalapan Township, right on Route 9.
You want a water?
Put your jacket on.
I don't need
You're gonna get
it.
sick. You're gonna get sick.
All right, Dad.
Just saying.
All right,
It's cold out.
You want any water or anything?
Yes, please.
No, you don't. Say hi.
I'm not even gonna use that case so much. I'm about to just leave it like that.
You're so cute. All right, ready? Let me get you with this. Smile. Smile. It's so cute.
Because the low isn't as good.
I thought you were vlogging. Hi.
Hey, Carly.
How are ya?
I'm gonna throw that out.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm just hanging.
Oh my god, this girl that worked at Starbucks, she was the cutest thing ever. She made me sign her phone case. Her name was Maurice's. Maurice's. She's like the Reese's candy, so shout out to you. Appreciate you.
I like the side of Jody cursing.
Oh.
Tell me more.
No.
All right. That was like a one-time thing.
Once in a while you hear the F word.
All right.
So you found your phone?
I found my phone because I'm on it.
All right.
Be there at 12. It's perfect.
Oh, exactly. 11:57. We are so on time, and you were stressing me out.
Someone has to. Do you know you asked for 10 minutes and it turned into like almost 30 minutes?
No. So what did you think of all the comments on our video together? Everyone was so nice, right?
Yeah, everyone was really nice. That was good. That was like all good feedback, all positive.
Yeah.
Like really nothing negative.
Everyone said they love your voice.
Thank you guys.
Did I tell you this? Someone wrote like audiobooks by Anthony.
No. Oh yeah, you did tell me.
I did, right?
Yeah.
Like where you would read the books.
Yeah. I'll be a narrator. It's not bad.
Yeah.
Or how about when we went to Island Sauna and
Oh my god! In the freaking sauna,
Yeah.
I told you, I'm like, you can't even whisper. Remember, you were pissing your pants because you just finally realized like how loud it was, and you weren't even talking, right? You were like,
Yeah.
like you couldn't even hear yourself, and then
Whispering.
all of a sudden it was like,
And it was
I was on the phone with my dad yesterday, and he had to go to the ear doctor because his like hearing is going, and he said how like he can't hear anybody's voice. He's like, but that's why I like my main man Anthony, because I can hear everything he says, because your octave is like so low and so deep. So like that's I guess what he can hear. He can't hear like higher pitched things.
No way.
Yeah.
That's funny.
They did the test.
That's funny.
I know, so funny.
My man Steve.
My main man Anthony.
My man Steve.
Oh, stop. You look beautiful. We're here with Vanessa. She is the designer, the mastermind behind everything. So amazing.
Hi.
Are you excited?
Designing. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Are you excited? Are you excited?
Oh my god. The whole way up, right? The whole way up, we were like, he was like, why do I feel so giddy? I'm like, because we're going to see the designs. Like, this is it.
Right. Why? But this is all good.
Yeah, and like when you just walk in, like we were in there the other night, and you walk in and it's like empty, it's so hard to envision it. So it's like when you can actually,
That's it.
it's so awesome. Do you love it?
Yeah, this is awesome.
How do you feel?
Like exactly what I envisioned it to look like. For sure. Yeah.
It's so sick. I know.
No way. Oh, I'm so excited. She did a great job in even the color scheme too. How do I get home?
Yeah, put the nab in.
Cool, we're in.
We're in?
We're in.
Get it, babe. I don't think I'll be fine in these shoes. I think I'll be fine. What do you think? Yeah.
I want Cindy as a dog.
Right, that with the blue
With the
piercing
eye
eyes.
like
It was
that.
like White
Wait,
Walker
that's
eyes.
the dog we're getting.
Really?
That's it. Yo, 100%. Yep.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time,
Barry!
girl, I know what's bothering me.
Every time, Mama, so you do that.